Hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to set up the giveaway bot for your Discord server. This is part 4 of my Discord Academy 101 series, and as you can see we're continuing where we left off last time, where we set up reaction roles with the YAG PDB Discord bot. So to start off, we'll first go to the affiliated website, as we do with all the other bots, but in this case it'll be giveawaybot.party. I will have this linked in the description below so you can follow along. But let's first go to the website here right now. So now we're on the main page of the website here. And as you can see, there's a big button here that says Add to Discord. Just like on all the other Discord bot websites, there's always an Add to Discord or Log in with Discord button. But since the giveaway bot doesn't have an editable commands section on their website, it's simply straight to Add to Server. There is no sign into Discord as there's nothing to edit on their actual website. As you can see, if you scroll down below, there's a big list of all the commands that you could use with bot. So let's follow the first step and click on Add to Discord. Now as you can see, like all the other times we've clicked this button, it opens up the exact same prompt as last time, where it says that it wants to add the bot to the server and create commands. So now let's select the server that we're adding it to, which of course will be our tutorial server, and then we'll click Continue. Then once again, the permissions section will pop up. This time, the giveaway bot only needs a few different permissions, basically allowing it to send messages in every channel. This bot doesn't require any administrative permissions, so this is all fine, so let's click Authorize. Verify yourself. And there we go. It says thanks for adding giveaway bot to your server. So now let's check back on the server here. And as you can see, it's now online here. And just like last time, let's go down here to roles and give it the bot role. As well as, let's go here into server settings, into the roles tab, click on any role, and then drag the giveaway bot role to the top once again. Save changes. We should do this with all our bots that we invite, just in case it needs to override any permissions of any other role. So now let's escape here. And now we have to create a giveaways channel for the giveaways to be done. So let's go here to information. Let's click create channel. Make sure it's on text. And we'll call it giveaways. Then click create channel. And let's move it up just a little bit, just over reaction roles here. Now once again, let's go into the permissions of the channel. Go for add everyone. Make sure they can view the channel, but cannot send messages, and read message history. Then we'll go back up to the top here, and make sure to add the giveaway bot, and allow it to view the channel, but also to send messages, embed links, and attach files, and read message history here. And then we'll add the admin role, and the moderator role, and we'll also give them permission just down below to send messages. This will allow the admins and moderators to create giveaways in the giveaway channel. So now if we escape here, we can now test out the commands for the giveaway bot. So as you can see, if we go back to the website, go back to the main page, and scroll down a bit, we can see that there's a list of all the commands you could use with the bot. So the most important one though is /gcreate to create the giveaway itself. So let's do that. So let's go here in the chat, in the giveaways channel, and we'll put in a slash. We'll click on the giveaway bot. We can see a list of all its commands here, but we're going to use the /gcreate command. So let's type that out. Click on it, and then click enter. And now you can see it opens up this little interactive box here where you could edit the giveaway itself that you're creating. So you could first choose the duration. It gives an example of 10 minutes. But if you want to do days, you could do 1D. So if you put D for days, or M for minutes, or you could also do 30 seconds, or however many seconds you like. So for this test, we're going to We're going to do 15 seconds here so we could see the giveaway ending. The next section here is to choose the number of winners that win. Depending on the number here, this is based off of how many people join the giveaway. So say 10 people join the giveaway, and this is, for example, 3. Then that means 3 unique users from that giveaway who joined it out of those 10. So 3 unique users out of those 10 users that joined the giveaway will be chosen as a winner. There is no chance of it being a duplicate winner. So as you can see, we're gonna be the only one really selecting it, so there'll be only one entry, one winner, so it's just an automatic win for me, but that's fine. And the next here, you choose the prize, which is basically the title of the prize that you're giving away. So let's just say, for an example, let's just say Discord Nitro was the prize. And then you could also choose, optionally, if you'd like to add a description. So let's add a description just to test it out. So we could say, giveaway of Discord Nitro Premium, letting the users know that it's Nitro Premium and not Nitro Classic. And then if we click submit here, it'll post the giveaway. There we go. So it ends in 12 seconds, so let's make sure to join by clicking this emoji here. And now we can see there's one entry, which was me. There's one winner, which will be automatically me. It ends in 1 second. 1 second to go. Sometimes the bot needs to load here. There we go. And as you can see, it pinged me and it says, congratulations at me. You won the Discord Nitro. So it'll always say you won, and then it'll give the prize name. And as you can see, there is the description we set here, just below the prize name here. And then it will say the ended date and when it ended, so you can view that. And if you'd like, you could also click on the giveaway summary button, which will then visit their website again, so we'll trust their giveawaybot.party website. We'll visit that site. And as you can see, there's a big list of a giveaway summary here. So you can see all the entrants and the exact people that entered. You can see the giveaway ID, the exact date, time, and second that the giveaway ended, and all the other stats here. And that's a good way to moderate the giveaways that happen, or to see exactly, or especially to see if there's someone cheating and using bot accounts to log into the giveaways. Because that is something that happens, is people, they spam bot accounts like 50 times into a giveaway just to increase their odds of winning, which is completely cheating, but that is one way that you could view if they are using bot accounts or not, and who it's attached to. A couple other important things you could do with a bot is a command called /g reroll, and then we paste in the giveaway ID here. And to get the giveaway ID, we can click on giveaway summary once again, and then it'll say the giveaway ID here. You could copy this, go back to your server, and paste it in here. And then you could choose the number of new winners to pick if you'd like to choose a different number than what was originally on the giveaway. But we'll just leave it at default, and then we'll click enter, and it'll re-roll the giveaway. Now as you can see, since I'm the only entry in the giveaway, it'll just make me the winner because there's no one else to be rolled, so it's just an automatic win for me. But if there was more users, it would re-roll the giveaway, so there would be another chance of someone else being a winner. One more thing you could do is /g list, which gives you a list of the active giveaways in the server. If we click here, we can see that there's no giveaways currently running. That's because all of our giveaways have ended. But if we create a new giveaway, for example, /g create, let's choose a different thing here. Let's say 10 minutes. 10 minutes, just so it's longer, so it doesn't end instantly. Number of winners 1. Prize, we'll just keep it the same, Discord Nitro. And we'll leave the description blank just to do this test here. And as you can see, the giveaway was created, as it says here. It gives you the ID for it. We could dismiss this message. Join the giveaway if you'd like. But more importantly, if we do /g list, it'll now show the active giveaway here that we just created, which is this one here, Discord Nitro. And it gives the whole description here, and it also gives the channel that the giveaway is being hosted in. So if you have multiple giveaways in different channels, so just for a test here, if we had a giveaway in #info channel, we have to first give it the permission to send messages. So let's just quickly add the bot here, giveaway bot, and go down to send messages, embed links and attach files just in case, save changes. And now we can create a giveaway here, gcreate. Once again, we'll do the same thing. 10 minutes. We'll change the prize to Discord, I don't know, Discord boost. Let's say Discord server boost. Let's do that. Discord server boost. Keep the description blank and submit. Dismiss, react if you'd like. And then if we go back to the giveaways channel and we do /g list, it'll give the list of the giveaways again, but now you can see it shows the other channels that it's in, such as #info, and also all the other information here, which is very useful, as well as when it ends. So this is a good way of viewing all the giveaways that that's in your server, or in another server if you do have permission to use these commands. So one more important command here is if you take the ID of the giveaway here, we could take this one, #giveaways, which is this giveaway here, copy this ID, and then if we go /g end, and then paste the giveaway ID here, click enter, and then click enter again, then it will end the giveaway. And as you can see, it ended the giveaway instantly, but it ended it with a winner. So the end giveaway command is basically ending the giveaway's timer and instantly giving a winner with the entries that were entered in. So like it'll still roll the giveaway, but it'll end it instantly, so there won't be any more time to enter in. So only the current entries will be rolled, of course. But if you'd like to end a giveaway without any winners winning, and you simply like to delete it, you could of course delete the message itself, but to more thoroughly delete it, because I'm not sure if that actually deletes it fully, is if you go /g delete, and then you paste the giveaway ID, or it'll give you the option of the giveaways that are currently in this channel. So let's just click on Discord server boost, which is this giveaway here, and then if you click enter, it'll delete the giveaway, but there's no winners, and it's simply gone. So in conclusion, that is a tutorial on how to add the giveaway bot to your server, create giveaways, re-roll the giveaway winner, and how to see the list of the active giveaways, and also how to end them or delete them depending on if you want a winner or not. So thank you guys for watching this video, and in the next video we'll be going over the Arcane bot and how to set up leveling roles for your Discord server. And after that video, we'll be going over the Discord Flare and different ways you can add Flare to your Discord server, including ways you could add it to your roles and channels. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and please subscribe and leave a like and comment, and please stay tuned for all the rest of the tutorials that come in this series. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you guys in the next video.